If you're looking for a versatile travel rewards card with solid perks and flexible points, two popular choices are the American Express Green Card and the CITI Premier, now known as the CITI Strata Premier. Both cards offer great value for travelers and everyday spenders, but they take different approaches when it comes to rewards and benefits. Let's break them down one at a time so you can see which card fits your lifestyle best. First, let's talk about the American Express Green Card. This card is designed for frequent travelers and city commuters who want to earn flexible rewards without paying a high premium fee. With the Green Card, you'll earn 3x points on travel, including flights, hotels, transit, taxis, rideshare, and even tolls. You'll also earn 3x points at restaurants worldwide and 1x on everything else. The annual fee is $150, and it comes with some valuable extras, including a Clear Plus credit up to $189 $100 Lounge Buddy credit per year. The welcome offer is typically around 40,000 points after spending $3,000 in the first 6 months. Those points can be transferred to over 20 airline and hotel partners or used to book travel directly. It's a great fit for someone who wants strong rewards on all types of travel, not just flights and hotels, and who values simplicity and flexibility. Now let's look at the CITI Premier. Recently rebranded as the CITI Strata Premier, this card is ideal for people who want broad bonus categories that cover travel and everyday expenses. You'll earn 10x points on hotels, car rentals, and attractions when booked through citytravel.com. Plus, you get 3x points at restaurants, supermarkets, gas stations, EV charging stations, and on air travel. All other purchases earn 1x point. The annual fee is just $95, making it one of the most affordable mid-tier travel cards. New cardholders can earn 60,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, worth about $600 when redeemed for travel or gift cards. You also get a $100 annual hotel credit when booking a $500 plus hotel stay through Citi Travel, along with no foreign transaction fees and access to Citi's airline and hotel transfer partners. If you want to earn big across multiple spending categories and keep your fee low, the CITI Premier delivers a lot of bang for your buck. So which card is right for you? The AMEX Green is a better choice if you travel frequently, rely on public transit or rideshare, and want a card with strong global travel rewards and valuable credits like Clear Plus. It's perfect for people who value membership rewards points and want flexible options when redeeming. The CITI Premier is a stronger option if your spending is spread out across multiple categories like gas, groceries, and dining, not just travel. It offers broader everyday value, a lower fee, and bonus rewards that are easy to maximize with regular purchases. Well, that's all for this video. If this breakdown helped you decide, show some love by hitting the heart icon to send a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more credit card reviews and money smart tips. We'll see you in the next one.